Galaxy S23 Ultra's big 500 mAh battery gets pictured. Hey, it's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about new S23 leaks. A previous leak suggested that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a 500 mAh battery, although the leak wasn't hard to believe, considering that the brand has offered the same battery capacity for the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. There wasn't any concrete proof backing the claim, but today we have an alleged image of the battery of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Popular tipster Ice Universe has shared a picture of a battery. He claims that it belongs to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, although the text on the battery doesn't mention its capacity. The tipster claims that it is a 500 mAh unit, just like the phone's predecessors. The image looks like it has been taken from the certification database, which further suggests that the launch of the Galaxy S23 series is on track. Another leak that came out last month revealed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra would support 25-watt charging. That's lower than the 45-watt charging that the Galaxy S22 Ultra supports. However, Samsung generally uses a 25-watt charger in a certification process, even if its phones support a maximum of 45 watts. As we saw with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung's 45 watts fast charging offers marginal improvements over 25 watts charging, and we really hope Samsung offers quicker charging times with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 45 watts fast charging protocol. And that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think about that, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.